Hi everyone, welcome to Geostat. Today I will discuss the CSIR NET in Earth Science. Basically, I will talk about the target topics for CSIR NET in Earth Science and how easily you can get GRF if you follow this pattern and study accordingly. I hope you already know the number of questions from each part and how many questions you can attempt from each part. If you don't know, you can check my previous video. The link is given in the description. Here also, I will just tell you how many questions you will get from each part and how many questions you can attempt from each part for better understanding of this video. So these are the number of questions from each part with total number of 150 questions. The maximum number of questions you can attempt from each part is showing here. In total you can attempt 75 questions. So the total marks are 200 as each question in part A and B is 2 marks and each question in part C is 4 marks. But the average cutoff for GRF in Earth Science is here, which was also discussed in the previous video. So you can check here 110 marks for general category, 100 marks for EWS, 94 marks for OBC category, 80 marks for SC category, 70 marks for ST category and 56 marks for PWD category out of 200. Now based on analysis of 15 cycles of CSIR exams, these are the number of questions I found in each cycle from climatic science and both climatic and oceanic science. The summary of the question is here. On average, we get 11 questions in part B, 18 questions in part C from only climatic science, and 18 questions in part B and 32 questions in part C from both climatic and ocean science. That means you can attempt 47% marks out of the total 200 marks from topics related to climate. So if you study only climatic science thoroughly, you can get GRF if you are from the OBC, SC, ST and PWD category. If you study both climatic and oceanic science thoroughly, you can easily get GRF as you can attempt 82% marks out of 200 marks. So students who are pursuing a master degree, carefully choose your special paper if you are targeting the CSIR NET in Earth Science. If you also carefully observe the questions, you will notice the same topics are repeated in several years. I will discuss and explain these repeated question types and topics in the next video. Also, you can check my previous video for details of CSIR NET and recommended books. Thank you.